everyone, so today I'm going to make a primer with all natural ingredients. I'm going to use carnation floral wax, spearmint essential oil, aloe vera chunks, and some sunflower oil. I'm choosing sunflower because it is high in linoleic acid and it's fragrance free. Wax from any flower or plant is a protective coating on the petals or the leaves. It keeps water in and irritants out. Floral wax is also what's left after the concrete and absolute extraction process. So basically, that is what you're left with. It's like a big mass of this wax, and it smells really, really good. And it has emollient properties, so it'll coat your skin, it'll hold in the moisture. It's just like any other wax in that respect. I don't know if any of these have any actual therapeutic qualities beyond just creating a seal to hold in moisture on your skin, but they do that very well. They smell good. They have a lower melting point than beeswax, and to me they seem like a finer grain or something. I don't know, the finished product just feels a lot smoother when I use this type of wax. It's also good for people who don't want to use animal products. So first, all you gotta do is put your carnation wax or your beeswax or whatever kind of wax you want to use into your oil. You're going to do about half and half. I've got about 1/3 of a cup of sunflower oil and about 1/3 of a cup of carnation wax. We're going to melt these together. I've got the oil and the wax melted together, kinda. And now I'm going to put in the aloe vera chunks. Aloe is what's going to cause a little film to form on the top of your skin so that the makeup will sit there. Do what it's supposed to do. Let's just mix it in. You're going to have little chunks probably. And you could use an immersion blender or something if you want to really blend that in well. But I'm just going to mix it in. And then I'm going to add 3 drops of spearmint essential oil. I do this because I love the smell of it, and it's kind of tingly when you put it on, and I like that. Just a little. Okay, and just pour it into your container. This makeup primer is going to serve a few different purposes. Number one, it's going to create a little bit of a film so that your makeup will adhere kind of evenly to your face. And that's done with the aloe vera and the carnation wax, and the oil, really. And the other purpose it's going to serve is it's going to soothe your skin because it has aloe in it. It's going to kind of make your skin tingly and feeling good, because like refreshed, because it has spearmint in it. And it's going to hold in moisture, so your face will stay moist and tingly and feeling good and looking good all day. Here's the finished product. It's beautiful and smooth, and it's a little green, but it doesn't look that way on your face. Just take a little bit like that, melt it between your fingertips, and spread it on your face. You can use it as a hand lotion. You can use it as a lip balm. You can use it for anything. It's really good if you dermaplane your face and you have a little bit of irritation and redness afterwards. This is very soothing for that also. So this can work as a makeup primer and just, just a regular balm for basically anything. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and give it a try.